This 5-minute solution will show you how to add Instagram link to Twitter. You can easily add your Instagram profile link to your Twitter in just a few steps. Go ahead and launch the Instagram app. Open your profile. And here you will get your Instagram username. Now open a browser and simply type instagram.com/ enter here your Instagram account username. Now copy your Instagram profile link from here. Now open your Twitter app. Tap on your profile photo at the top left. Profile. Edit profile. Tap on this website. Paste here your Instagram profile link. Tap on save. And this is how we can add Instagram link to Twitter. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.